In a parallel universe, the metronome never caught on. Rhythm remained elusive, its secrets locked away. Brilliant minds sought the key to perfect timing. Despite intricate devices, their efforts fell short. Musicians played on, passion undeniable, yet their melodies danced chaotically, rhythms stumbling without guide. As technology advanced, hope emerged. A revolutionary piano course with a secret weapon, rhythm style. Rhythm style unveiled the art of internal timing. Students discovered the beat within themselves. Suddenly fingers danced in time, notes aligned, and music flowed like never before. A rhythmic renaissance swept the land. Living rooms became concert halls. Pianoforall didn't just teach piano, it brought rhythm to life.